1,300 suicides are happening every single month. It is increasing every year. And with the increasing rate, there is nobody still talking about it.
Suicide Free India. What is Suicide Free India and why you are so passionate about it? क्या एक ऐसा हिडन चीज होती है कि जहाँ पर एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान जिसके लिए दुनिया उसके कदमों में है, that person decides to end his or her.
So people think that if externally everything is going well, internally also everything is going well. That's not true.
Human life is very very precious. कोई भी एक चीज लाइफ के अंदर ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आप ये सोचो कि हम इसको एंड कर दें and then your purpose of life is gone.
The missing link is contribution. Is to just live, make money, enjoy and die. That cannot be the purpose of your life. The purpose of your life is to give. Live like you are going to die tomorrow and learn like you're going to live forever. Life Sutra is nothing but life sciences. I believe in that कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ को अपना सब कुछ देते हैं तो वो चीज़ भी आपको जितने आपने उम्मीद रखी उससे ज़्यादा देती है. Universe has a weird way of blessing you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back once again to yet another exciting episode of A Happy World Within podcast, a show which is all about happiness, joy, your unlimited potential, and all that we can create in the world. मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि इस पॉडकास्ट शो के अंदर मैं ऐसे ऐसे पर्सनालिटीज़ को इनवाइट करूँ जो हमें लाइफ के बारे में बताएं, जो हमें इंस्पिरेशन दें एंड जो आप लोगों के साथ एक कनेक्ट बना सकें. एंड इसी कोशिश में आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत ही इफ़ेक्टिव पर्सनालिटी हैं डॉक्टर मिताली जायसवाल. सो डॉक्टर मिताली जायसवाल is the founder of Life Sutra and she's on a mission to have a suicide free India और वो ये एक इनका NGO रन कर रही हैं and I would love to introduce you all to her. So welcome to the show, Dr. Mitali.
Thank you so much, Nivita Di, for inviting me. And it is a great honor to be here. And trust me, when I meet the right kind of people, the energy is high. And your energy is very, very enticing, very engaging. And I love that we are talking and we are on the same thought process. So I love being here. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. Loved your words. Literally, it encourages me when I hear that the energy that we are exchanging is so captivating and enticing. So, Mitali, I just want to know that मेरे को आपकी स्टोरी तो पता, आपने मुझसे शेयर करी. You started from a corporate background. And then Life Sutra happened and then Suicide Free India happened. But I would want the audience and the followers who are seeing this podcast show to know about your journey, how you started and what led to what.
Okay. So audience के लिए and I think for people who want to know. So 16 years corporate, I was like कहते हैं ना कि you don't plan your life. So but I had very strong plans about plan A, plan B. जो होता है ना, I was one of those जो 5-year plan, 10-year plan बनाते थे.
To do list के साथ
And,
चलते हैं
and
जो.
I was the one who will stick to their plans. You know, I was one of those high achiever and very motivated and फालतू चीज़ों में interest नहीं है. एंड आई वाज़ वेरी फोकस्ड क्योंकि घर के बड़े बच्चों को ना बहुत ज़िम्मेदारियाँ होती है. तो आई वाज़ घर की सबसे बड़ी लड़की और लड़की एंड बिकॉज़ थैंकफुली माय फादर इज़ अ फेमिनिस्ट सो
Okay.
ऑलवेज़ सपोर्टिंग मी इन वर्क एंड करियर. So I had a very successful 16 years of corporate career where I traveled to 23 countries. I worked abroad for a long time. सारे सपने जो भी थे सारे पूरे कर लिए. Financially also, professionally also worked with Aditya Birla, Ginny and Johnny, Accenture, all the best companies.
Big names.
और उस समय जो भी the top companies in my area of work, strategy consulting में, I worked with all of them. I was at the peak of my career in Accenture, my favorite company, and then something happened and it was happening for a long, long time. But normally क्या होता है ना कि you ignore a little bit of discomfort. Discomfort ऐसा होता है ना कि जैसे सब कुछ ठीक है पर फिर भी सब कुछ ठीक नहीं है. Something is wrong. And you have this feeling but you don't know what it is.
Can you tell us about this incident? What happened?
So
If you're comfortable
it was
telling it.
not an incident. It was like a long, I think 1.5 years I was suffering. Okay.
From?
And from nothing.
Okay.
From the pain of nothing. So I tried to decide what is wrong with me, what is bothering me. Is it the work-life balance? No, it was not. I was working from home. Is it because I'm getting older? No, it is not. Is it because of the work pressure? No, it is not. I tried to handle all of those
So you
things.
felt a vacuum inside
There
you.
was a strong vacuum. There was something
यार
missing.
समझ में नहीं आता
नहीं
कि
समझ आ रहा है.
सब तो ठीक है, बट क्या है
Because
जो
the
मिसिंग
whole
है?
world is saying you are having the best time of
बेस्ट
your
ऑफ
life. मतलब I was doing farmhouse shop, like hunting and searching a farmhouse to buy. And at the peak of that time, where we're on the verge of buying it, I went to the office one day and I just put my papers.
यू क्विट योर जॉब.
I just quit my job, just like that.
16 years of corporate job,
Gone
working
like
with
that.
a high-end companies, and you just put your papers down.
And I have no idea why, and I had the guts to do it. And when I came back, the whole world was shocked and everybody was against it. You know, the people who love me the most were the people who were against it completely,
The parents,
like aggressively against it,
parents and siblings
and
and family,
husband,
husband and
everybody,
everyone.
and they said, "Are you crazy?" The friends said, "Are you crazy? If we had the salary that you had, we will never quit that job." And I was working from home. So imagine the luxury and the money. And because I'm not the kind of person who will just compromise, I was never that type. I decided to do something about it. If something is bothering me, let me figure out what it is. So from that point onwards, started like a spiritual journey, like an internal journey. I went to a lot of
I'll intervene
monasteries.
over here when you talk about this sudden thought process that
Mm,
things are not working for you in
mm,
spite of you having a thriving career. I would use the word thriving in capital as per the information that I'm getting. And you suddenly quit
mm,
and you don't even know why you are quitting. And then you start your spiritual journey.
mm,
How did this transition
mm,
come? Like
mm,
spiritual journey,
mm,
because very few souls are literally blessed
mm.
बी ऑन दैट स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. हम
Absolutely
लोग
agree with
आजकल
that.
स्पिरिचुअलिटी की अगर बात करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा स्कूल्स खुल के हुए हैं
Mm,
स्पिरिचुअलिटी,
mm,
मेडिटेशन कर लो, ये
mm,
करो, दुनिया कर भी
mm,
रही है, हम सुबह ये
mm,
करते हैं.
mm,
बट इफ वी आर ऑन अ रियल स्पिरिचुअल पाथ, यू
mm.
कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट.
Yes.
हाउ डिड यू लाइक
Mm,
स्विच ओवर देयर? यहाँ क्या हुआ वन
mm,
फाइन डे दैट
mm.
इट स्टार्टेड योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी?
So what happened was I realized that nothing external is bothering me.
हम्म.
There was nothing external that is bothering me. I realized that there has to be something internal. Okay? And because I'm generally a happy person with a lot of friends, so I figured out it is not nothing to do with emotions per se, or I'm lacking love, or loneliness is not an issue. I'm always loved, and there is not a lack of
कुछ भी किसी भी चीज़
respect.
की कमी नहीं है.
Love and
हाँ.
respect is not something that I'm bothered about, and I'm not a lonely person. I'm a person who avoids a lot of people normally because I have too many people in my life.
हम्म.
But and making friends was never difficult for me. So what is it? So I realized that there has to be something spiritual here. And when you don't find the answers in the books and in
You
the
go to him.
podcast and in your other areas, and your parents or your siblings or your friends are not able to help you, I decided to go to a monastery and I lived there for 21 days. It was a silent retreat,
Where?
and in McLeodganj.
अच्छा, McLeodganj. Where?
McLeodganj. So I lived in that monastery for 21 days, and I think I found one piece of information there. And I realized that the missing link is contribution.
हाँ.
I'm living a very self centered life. I'm not contributing a single thing to this world. And that cannot be someone's purpose. To just live, make money, enjoy, and die. That cannot be the purpose of your life.
I'm one person who's deeply into the journey of the soul.
Hmm.
And when you're talking about you going and living in a monastery in McLeodganj
Mm,
for 21 days
mm,
and you just getting one answer,
mm,
contribution,
mm.
do you even realize how blessed a soul you are who's got the purpose in life? Because people
Yes.
don't have a clarity कि उनका
Yeah.
जन्म किस लिए हुआ है,
Yeah,
या वो
बिल्कुल
कर
सही है.
क्यों क्या कर रहे हैं और
For
किस
all
लिए कर रहे हैं.
right, and for all those people, I'm giving them the answer today. For all the people who are looking for what is the purpose of my life, I'm telling you the answer to that question is your purpose of your life is to give.
To give.
Is always to give. It is never to take because you take nothing.
This is
As
what we were
we
talking about
discussed
before we
it,
started the
yes.
podcast. This is
And
what
we
we were
take
talking about.
nothing from here except for the knowledge and the wisdom that you carry and learn here. That's why Mahatma Gandhi once said, no, live like you are going to die
That
tomorrow
more.
and learn like you're going to live forever.
Yeah.
So I believe in that. I learn every single day. I learn from all the people I meet. I learn from even small kids. And I learn from my journey every single day. But in that process, I don't stop living my life because that is also part of
That's a
learning.
balance that you've learned
There,
now.
balance is the key. And after that one piece of information, I don't know how to contribute. So then there are more questions, right? I just found
पता तो
one
लग गया
piece.
कंट्रीब्यूट कर
हाँ,
रहा है, कैसे करना है वो
कैसे
पता नहीं।
करना है? What is my thing? Should I become a painter, or should I become a healer? Should I contribute in which area should I contribute? Should I contribute based on my knowledge? Where do I start? You know, and that is another, in that process, I started three companies. I worked with multiple people. Two startups failed, and I started my Life Sutra, and then it worked. I found something. मुझे ऐसा लगता है
Let's
लोग
talk about,
बोलते हैं
let's
ना.
take a pause and talk about Life Sutra. So
Yeah.
what is Life Sutra and what all do you do in Life Sutra?
So, as the name suggests, it is about life sciences. Life Sutra is nothing but life sciences. We work with all types of life sciences, okay?
Hmm.
Whether it is healing, whether it's occult sciences, whether it is NLP, whether it is tarot, whether it is corporate training, soft skill trainings, whatever is there to learn in terms of understanding everything about life. That's what we teach. We have tie ups with corporates, schools, individuals, and we do seminars, webinars, we do group trainings, we do one-to-one trainings.
So all these modalities you learned yourself,
No, I'm not
or you
an
have a
expert. No, we
team
have a
expert
collection
collection of?
of lot of. So under our umbrella, we have astrologers, Vastu experts, Reiki healers, tarot card readers. We also have corporate trainers, soft skill trainers. So Life Sutra is a platform for all of those people
Let's
who
say
want to
it's a Life
contribute.
Sutra is a startup
Hmm.
where you have brought together all these
All these people, all
mystical
these
science people,
experts.
mystical
Yes,
science people, I
yes,
would
yes.
say.
And I love each and every member is personally selected. Some of them are trained by me as well, and personally selected because I believe in energy, and where there is a good energy, I think I connect instantly, and when good energies connect, it expands, and
It's
it
multiverse,
brings, and the
multifold.
vibe
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
amazing. With people, when you meet the right kind of people, the vibe is amazing. पूरा aura change हो जाता है.
I
उस
completely
कमरे
agree.
का, उस space का, time का. It is like a magical place.
You all are energy beings
Yes,
in
yes.
human form.
And yeah, so I believe in that, and I select people based on that. I select my students based on that. I select my clients based on that. So Life Sutra is all about that, spreading the right kind of energy and spreading the right kind of knowledge. So Life Sutra, I found piece of my purpose. I would say piece of my purpose because I still don't know the complete purpose.
Mhm.
So I normally people ask me कि आपको purpose मिल गया तो सब कुछ पता हो जाता है, नहीं होता है.
No, no, it's a
You
journey. It's
go
a
in the
journey. Yeah, yeah, it's a
journey with
journey.
open
Yeah.
mind, and you just keep following your energy, and you कभी भी दो choices आती हैं, you always pick the one that excites you a little more, and then you follow it.
4951. I always say it's a like if you have to choose, there are two
Right.
important things, na? And you are confused. So I always say 4951 कर लो. वो जो
Hmm.
1% extra जहाँ पे जा रहा है ना, just go for it.
Absolutely. And then you give it your 100%. You give your soul to it. You surrender it, and you don't expect results. You just give everything. आई बिलीव इन दैट कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ को अपना सब कुछ देते हैं, तो वो चीज़ भी आपको जितने आपने उम्मीद रखी उससे ज़्यादा देती है. यूनिवर्स हैज़ अ वियर्ड वे ऑफ ब्लेसिंग यू. So I believe in that, and I select the right kind of energetic things, and then I give everything. And even if I fail, I don't mind it because I think failure में भी lesson है. So
Failure है ही lesson. Failure
yeah,
word ही नहीं होना
yeah, yeah,
चाहिए. It should be success and lesson.
yeah.
I तो if it's in my hand, मैं तो
Well
eliminate ही कर
said.
दूँ dictionary में से
Yes,
failure
yes,
word because it's so
absolutely.
demeaning and it is so
हाँ.
discouraging.
Right, and in
So
fact, it is
it
the
should be
other way
success
around.
and lesson.
Yes, and success teaches you nothing. सक्सेस से तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. इनफैक्ट आई हैड दिस वियर्ड प्रॉब्लम. आई हैड द फियर ऑफ सक्सेस because I have this fear that one day I will become a little arrogant about it.
Mhm.
And I'm very scared of arrogance because मुझे ऐसा लगता है the magic goes away. As soon as you develop a little ego about what you're doing, और आपको लगता है कि आपने किसी को हील किया, आपने कुछ कर दिया, आपकी वजह से कुछ
कुछ
हुआ है,
भी नहीं हो.
you lose everything. You lose the magic. Till the point you understand that you are just a medium of doing excellent work, excellent
I was
healing,
about to
or
bring up this word that we are the chosen
we are the
ones.
chosen, and we are just the medium.
We are the medium.
तो
कर
अगर
तो वो रहा
उस
है.
हाँ, मतलब करते हो तुम कन्हैया
हमारे
नाम हो रहा
through, हमारे through,
है. Yes.
because he cannot be present everywhere.
Yes, yes. And you are considering everything that has happened to I consider myself just a tool of doing the right kind of thing. Maybe I'm an excellent blessed tool that I was selected to do the good thing, and there's no difference between me and the other person.
Mhm.
It's just that I have worked on myself enough, that I have polished myself enough that I can be used well by universe. That's all.
I think that's a journey. Working on your own self is a journey, and it's
Mm,
going to go to the last breath of our lives
mm,
because you are always a masterpiece in progress.
That's what, that is my quote actually. That's what I believe in myself.
So keep on honing
Mm,
yourself, keep on chiseling yourself, keep on polishing yourself.
always, always.
You're a rare diamond in the
Mm.
universe. So, from Life Sutra, I think it's been 8 years of Life Sutra now.
Almost, yes. Mm.
So, congratulations for that. And let's come to your this mission or closer to your purpose of
Mm,
contribution,
mm,
Suicide Free India.
mm,
I want you to tell the audience
mm,
what is Suicide Free India
mm,
and why you are so passionate about it. And it's been 4 years to Suicide
mm,
Free India, right?
mm,
What's the purpose behind it
mm,
and what are your dreams about it? आप
mm.
इसको कहाँ पे लेके जाना चाहते हो? आप क्या इसके पीछे क्या आपका एक मोटिव है?
Okay. So, to tell my audience, Suicide Free India is a dream that I don't think that I chose it. I think universe picked me up for it. I don't know how it started. I think मैंने किसी को ऐसे मजाक में बोला था that if I have to start an NGO, someone asked me if you have to start an NGO, what would that be? And I said that I don't know why, but children committing suicide bothers me very much. You know, it really, really bothers me that you have not even lived and understand the pains of life and you have decided to end your life. You have not really lived your life and you have no, uh, you don't have the right to do that. I disagree about your choice of
Ending your
ending your
life.
life, and I need to do something about it. It used to bother me so much that I don't know why it bothered me so much, because everybody hears it and everybody feels sad about it.
Mhm.
But there are certain causes that just stick with you, and I think it was always there. And then something happened. One of my clients, he sent me a clip, news clip,
Mhm.
one day, one night, and it just like a forward. You know how people forward something on the
Mhm.
WhatsApp, and he only knew that I'm, just talk about suicide in a very passionate way. So he sent me that clip, and there was this girl committing suicide on camera.
Oh God.
It was a case from Ahmedabad,
Mhm.
and I don't know what happened during that video. I don't know what it was, universe or what. I could not stop looking at that video, and I went to YouTube and I searched more videos, and then I searched more videos, and then I did more research. Then I read the news, and then I went to Hindustan Times page and I read it again, and by the time I was finished, it was morning. I kept crying and I kept reading. And my husband was saying, if it is bothering you so much, why are you
Why are you
watching it?
watching it?
Why are you watching it? I said, no, I can't, like, I can't stop it.
You
I
must not have
just,
understood at that time.
yeah. And I could not get it myself. Why was it bothering me so much? There are so many suicides happening. 1,300 suicides are happening every single month almost.
Every single
And
month,
yeah,
1,300
yeah, yeah.
suicides.
And it is increasing every year. And
And we
everybody
are
knows
living in
about it.
today's times where there is so
Yeah,
much
yeah.
of awareness.
E-
1300 जिंदगियां हर महीने जानी.
Even with all of this awareness, the suicide rate is the highest right now in India. Highest. More than what India has seen from last 15 years, 15 to 20 years. It is the highest at peak right now. And with the increasing rate, there is nobody still talking about it. Nobody really is. People think it is depression, and people are talking about depression and mental health. But the core of suicide, nobody is really talking about it. In fact, a lot of my talks get cancelled because they don't want me to use the word suicide. Ma'am, आप आ रहे हो talk के लिए in our school, please don't use the word suicide. I said,
Why?
I'm not coming because it is a very
Taboo.
discomforting word.
Uh,
People don't want to hear it. People think that if you use the word often,
if
people
you
will
keep
get
on
the
sweeping
idea.
things under the carpet, that doesn't mean that when you pick up the carpet,
That's
the
what we
dust is
did
not
with
going to
sex
be there
education. Na? We kept sweeping it under the
under the
carpet
carpet.
for a long, long time.
Yeah.
And then teenage pregnancy and all of this happened, right? Rapes and all of that. Till we deal with the problem in hand and face it straightforward, कि आओ देखते हैं, let's handle it. Someone needs to do that. And because someone needs to do it, it has to be someone tough. And because I think universe considered me tough enough to take up this strong
Of course.
controversial
Of
topic,
course.
the next day morning I decided to start Suicide Free India. मैंने अपनी टीम से बात की, मैंने बोला ये करना है. तो उन्होंने बोला मैम क्या कर रहे हो, ये तो एकदम ही अलग हो जाएगा, लाइफ सूत्रा इज अबाउट saving
Saving
lives and you're
lives.
talking about suicide free India,
But then
completely
again, it is about
controversial.
saving
I
lives,
said that
creating
it's
an
not a choice,
awareness.
it's not a business decision, it is a personal decision. I think this is for me, and we're doing it. My first TEDx talk was happening in Delhi,
Mhm.
and they called me and they said कि मैम आपका दिल्ली, क्योंकि आप दिल्ली में रहते हो तो दिल्ली में TEDx आ रहा है और आप you are invited for it. I said fine. He said what topic will you select? I said suicide free India. He said मैम बहुत controversial है, TEDx has a lot of rules against the word suicide. I said if I'm coming, I'm only talking about this because I'm coming to this platform only to talk
Create an
about
awareness
this.
about it. Yeah.
Yes, there's no other reason. So if I'm talking about on TEDx, I'm talking about suicide free India. He said then come to Kota
Ah.
because Kota is the epicenter of
Yes,
suicide.
suicides because of all that
So he said
pressure.
it is happening within this week. Will you be able to manage it? I said I'll come. So I went to Kota and I in presence of more than 500 students, I delivered that talk about suicide prevention. Obviously, TEDx it was not easy to get it approved by TEDx. It took more than 2 months to for us to put the facts out, and TEDx it was not easy to pass that
हर
uh,
जगह मोनेटाइजेशन
TEDx.
चल रहा है.
So they're very particular about
Mhm.
what words to use, but thankfully it passed and it was released. So
I've
yeah,
not yet seen that, but आज मैं देखूंगी आपका वो.
uh,
I'll
it
definitely
is
see
it
that.
is on it is on TEDx platform. It is um uh, I'll tell you this about my experience with TEDx. It is the kind of people you meet there. That is the best part because it about platform. There are a lot of platforms. It is about the kind of people. It is the cream.
It's a cream.
It's
Of
the
course,
cream.
TEDx is the cream.
Yeah.
No doubts about that.
So yeah, I think I took a bold decision of connecting and talking to the students there. And after the talk, so many people, so many students came up to me and ma'am, I want to talk to you. Can I have your personal number? I want to talk about. I'm feeling suicidal. I'm living in a hostel. I'm feeling suicidal. What should I do? But my friends think that I'm the happy-go-lucky person. They don't know what I'm going through.
Mhm.
Even the person sitting next to you don't know what you're going through.
camouflage करते हो ना आप अपने emotions.
Yes, yes. Because ये इतना negative emotion है ना that you're scared to talk about it.
So there's this news on the internet yesterday on Instagram. Someone forwarded me also. This young RJ called RJ Simran, who was
Hmm.
with Radio Mirchi, I guess, in Jammu.
Hmm.
A young 25, 24, 25-year-old girl, and
Hmm.
their parents की इकलौती बेटी, दो भाई बहन, the brothers in Canada, and
Hmm.
this girl committed suicide yesterday. She was found dead in her Gurugram apartment.
Hmm.
मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आती है कि यंग बच्चे हैं, यू आर लाइक इनटू दिस फील्ड
Hmm.
preventing suicides in young people especially. You went to Kota to do the TEDx talks and create an awareness amongst 500 students.
Hmm.
एक यंग लड़की 24-25 साल की, थ्राइविंग करियर है उसका, और बिकॉज शी इज एन आरजे, डेफिनेटली वो अपने शो पे पॉजिटिविटी की बात करती होगी, लाइफ की बात करती होगी, बिकॉज शी इज इन अ पोजिशन वेयर शी इज मोटिवेटिंग सो मेनी पीपल ओवर देयर. And then parents supportive hai. She's got name, fame, success, money, everything.
Hmm.
And then one fine day she decides to end her life.
Hmm.
ऐसे लोग, ऐसी पर्सनालिटीज जहाँ पर सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा होता है,
Hmm.
देखने में सब कुछ चल रहा होता है,
Hmm.
हिडन स्टोरी क्या होती है? बिकॉज यू मस्ट श्योरली हैव हैड हैंडल सो मेनी
Hmm.
केस स्टडीज.
Hmm.
वो एक हिडन एक चीज क्या होती है जो
Hmm.
एक सेकंड के अंदर आपको, बिकॉज इट्स इन अ स्पर ऑफ मोमेंट यू टेक
Hmm.
योर लाइफ,
Hmm.
राइट?
Hmm.
वो क्या एक ऐसा हिडन चीज होती है कि जहाँ पर एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान जिसके लिए दुनिया उसके कदमों में है, एंड दैट पर्सन डिसाइड्स टू एंड हिज और हर लाइफ.
Hmm.
वो एक चीज क्या है जो इतना बॉदर करती है?
So, do you remember the time Deepika Padukone came forward to talk about her depression?
डिप्रेशन, यस.
She was at the peak of her career. So, people think that if externally everything is going well, internally also everything is going well. That's not true.
I want to know one thing over here. We talk
Hmm.
about emotional health. I talk a lot about
Hmm.
emotional health. I say that मेंटल हेल्थ पे जाने से पहले इमोशनल हेल्थ के ऊपर काम कर लिया जाए, एंड इमोशंस आर समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू नेविगेट एवरी सिंगल डे. उसको फाइन ट्यून करना पड़ता है रोज सुबह से लेकर रात तक. तो आप अगर अपने इमोशंस को नेविगेट करना सीख गए, आप अपने आप को समझ गए,
Hmm.
आपको क्या अच्छा बुरा है, क्या ट्रिगर है आपकी लाइफ का, कैसे उसको कंट्रोल करना है, कहाँ पर आप लो फील करते हो, कैसे अपने आप को स्टेप अप करना है, ऑल दोस इमोशंस व्हेन यू आर एबल टू नेविगेट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस,
Hmm.
मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज तक पहुंचो कहीं नहीं। बट क्या जब हम सुसाइड का कोई इंसान सोचता है, क्या वहां पर केमिकल इम्बैलेंस भी जो हमारे ब्रेन में होता है वो भी रोल प्ले करता है, या ये सिर्फ जो प्रेशर है लाइफ का जो मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है, मे बी आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, यंग बच्चों में रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज बहुत होते हैं, चीटिंग हो गया, ब्रेकअप हो गया, और कई बार आप नहीं ले पाते हो, तो क्या ये चीजें हैं जो ट्रिगर करती हैं?
I'll tell you. First of all, it is case to case.
हम्म,
Okay, every case is different. There are children committing suicide because उनका bad haircut की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा मजाक उड़ गया. There was a case in Maharashtra where I think 17-year-old boy, he got a new haircut.
हम्म,
He went to the college, first year का था student, and इतना ज़्यादा उसका मजाक उड़ाया गया उसके haircut पे. He went to the college bathroom और college के bathroom की खिड़की से वो कूद गया.
उफ,
Now tell me, is haircut the real problem? It is not, right? Is making fun of your friends a problem? No. You have to understand it is case to case. There was also
are we
when
living
a
in
lot
an
of
insensitive society?
no, 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 no. It is not that. It is that we are not uh, we are not ready to process anything. It is such a instant society ना 2 मिनट में तो हमको नूडल्स चाहिए 30 सेकंड की तो हमें रील चाहिए उससे ज्यादा तो हमारे पास पेशेंस ही नहीं
पेशेंस ही नहीं है।
है राइट सो वी आर नॉट प्रोसेसिंग एनीथिंग even that 30-second reel in our brain is not processed properly.
So that's why you
Right.
scroll the next, the next, the
Right.
next.
And then what happens is normally, my father used to say this that you know why poor people are poor? Because the maximum lotteries are purchased by them. They don't want to fix the problem. They want to just,
Instant.
just shift the problem. They want to believe in luck, but not the solution. So similarly, what happens is whenever there is a problem, like for
Mhm.
example, a child is going through emotional stress. Uh, Maybe it's a personal relationship, a girlfriend has breakup ho gaya hai. Instead of processing the emotion, they
Accepting the
want
reality.
the reality that she's gone. Have to move on, have to cry about it. They don't want to do that. They want to first. They will try to navigate through with other girls, with other friends, with drinking, with smoking, with drugs. They don't want
Yeah,
to
yeah,
face
yeah.
the problem. They just want to ignore the problem and kind of
Run away from it.
mask
Yeah.
it in a way. And when you mask a wound that is not healed, it creates infections. And similarly, in brain, what happens is if you
वो
don't
कब
process the
आपका
emotion, yes, it
नासूर बन
becomes
जाता है, या
emotional
या
stress. And there is a area in your brain called amygdala. Okay, amygdala का normally scientific sense में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो the function of amygdala is to give you alarm, kind of shout it when you are in problem. So normally when the amygdala is shouting, either the response is to fight or to flight. या तो आप भाग जाओ वहां से या तो फिर लड़ो. ये तब होता था पुराने ज़माने में in our the old brain when there is a lion or a tiger in front of you. So either you fight
fight
with the
or
lion
you run
or
away.
you run away, right? But now amygdala क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि लड़की ने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. Now you're failing in 12th standard and the marks are not up to the mark. Now the amygdala is creating alarm. Actually इतना बड़ा डेंजर है भी नहीं. पर आपने उसको क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्ट्रेस को आपने प्रोसेस नहीं किया पापा के प्रेशर ने मम्मी के प्रेशर ने फैमिली क्या सोचेगी कंपटीशन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स ये सब आपने प्रोसेस नहीं किया अब नाउ स्मॉल स्ट्रेस इज आल्सो लाइक मैगडिला अलार्म
अलार्म बजना शुरू हो
ब्लेयरिंग
गया।
बहुत ज्यादा ब्लेयरिंग हो रहा है अब जब अलार्म ब्लेयर होता है तो व्हाट साइंटिफिकली व्हाट हैपेंस इज प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स जो आपका थिंकिंग ब्रेन
हम्म,
है डिसीजन मेकिंग ब्रेन है जो
वो
सही
शट डाउन
और
हो जाता है।
गलत वो कंप्लीटली शट ऑफ हो जाता
So if we are talking about flight mode,
है
fight mode, flight
Hmm.
mode, then it comes to this freeze mode.
हाँ, so this
आप
is
फ्रीज हो
where
जाते हो, आपको समझ में
बिल्कुल,
नहीं आता क्या
बिल्कुल,
करना है।
you become a robot.
Because now this
लोग
is my
बोलते हैं ना
subject being
हाँ,
spoken about.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल
Fight,
and when you
flight, and
become
freeze.
right, so freeze mode में क्या होता है you have no sense of what is right or
What is
wrong
wrong or what to do,
and
what
no
not to do.
pain also मतलब आप अपनी
नम हो
नस
जाते हो
कट
आप।
कर रहे हो तो आपको दर्द का भी मतलब मुझे दर्द होगा मैं सांस नहीं ले पाऊंगा मैं मर जाऊंगा तो उसका क्या रिpercussion हो you're not even thinking that because you are completely like a robot with no emotions, no feelings, no set of right and wrong. लोग बोलते हैं अभी कल ही when I was doing counseling for a suicide prevention victim, her husband committed suicide. विदिन 2 इयर्स ऑफ मैरिज। और रीज़न बस इतना था कि वाइफ़ ने बोला तुम बच्चा हो गया हमारा 1 साल का और तुम उसको गोदी में भी नहीं लेते हो। यू नो यू शुड डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एटलीस्ट बच्चे को कभी गोदी में लो। और उसी बात पे बहस हो गई। वो रूम में गया और सुबह जब दरवाज़ा खुला तो ही वाज़ हैंगिंग।
एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ गिल्ट दैट वाइफ मस्ट बी कैरिंग,
वाइफ इज़ थिंकिंग कि
मैंने मार दिया।
व्हाट इज़ उस वो तो अपने आप
हाँ,
को ब्लेम कर रही है कि मैंने नॉट ओनली आई किल्ड माय हस्बैंड बट आई आल्सो किल्ड द फादर ऑफ
ऑफ माय
माय
चाइल्ड।
सन। ही विल नेवर हैव अ फादर बिकॉज़ ऑफ मी एंड नाउ शी इज़ आल्सो थिंकिंग कि वो ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं। यू नो हाउ एंड शी इज़ आल्सो ब्लेमिंग हिम कि अपने बच्चे को और बीवी को छोड़ के हाउ कैन ही गो अवे लाइक दैट।
So it
And
becomes a
she's
very
feeling
vicious
suicidal.
cycle of,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Now she's feeling suicidal and she's saying, ma'am, I'm only stuck in this world because of my son. But I really want to go. I really want to just, free myself from this. So I said, you don't have to free yourself from this world. You have to free yourself from that guilt.
So here I would want to add one thing which is going a bit off the subject that we're talking about. When we talk about people committing suicides, हमारे spiritual world में, because मैं journey of the soul के ऊपर बहुत काम करती हूँ और पढ़ा भी है, according to the journey of the soul, the books that I have read, whenever someone commits suicide, आपकी स्पिरिट जो है ना, वो ऊपर के वर्ल्ड में जहाँ पर जाना होता है, वहाँ पर नहीं जाती है। आप फिज़िकल वर्ल्ड से तो चले गए, लेकिन आपका जो हेवनली वर्ल्ड है, वो वहाँ पर आपकी भी एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं, क्योंकि आपकी एज नहीं पूरी हुई वहाँ पर। सो यू आर स्टक इन द इन बिटवीन वर्ल्ड एंड देन द स्पिरिट डज़न्ट नो व्हाट टू डू। और ऐसी स्पिरिट्स होती हैं जो मिसयूज़ हो जाती हैं फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पीपल, वो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक। आई डोंट वांट टू गो completely out of the subject that we are talking about. But people who commit suicides, please create an awareness, because this is a subject that I've studied and I talk about it a lot. People who commit suicides, उनकी spirits, उनकी आत्मा जो है, वो एक फिजिकल वर्ल्ड से तो चले गए, लेकिन अभी उनका क्योंकि टाइम डेथ का नहीं हुआ है, वो एक मिडिल ग्राउंड में फंस जाते हैं। एंड देन दोज आर द स्पिरिट्स दैट आर वांटिंग सैल्वेशन, जो कहते हैं कि हमें please mukti dila do, and those are the spirits which are misused by certain people, which I don't want to talk about over here. Am I right?
Absolutely. And nobody wants to talk about normally कि जब हम science की बात करते हैं तो nobody talks about the spiritual side. But I completely believe in this that there is a spirituality और science वाला angle भी है suicide के साथ. And the fact that आपका कोई purpose था यहाँ पर ऐसे यूनिवर्स नेवर वेस्ट स्पेस एंड टाइम। यू वर सेंट हियर फॉर पर्पस फॉर अ
आपने तो
पर्पस
करा ही नहीं।
आपने वो किया ही नहीं। नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी कब होती है वो पर्पस फुलफिल करने की व्हेन यू आर इन दिस वर्ल्ड।
Yeah.
यू नो यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर बोर्न एज अ ह्यूमन
Mm.
नॉट एज एन एनिमल बिकॉज एनिमल्स के कोई कर्मा कलेक्ट नहीं होते बट व्हेन यू बोर्न एज अ ह्यूमन यू कलेक्ट ऑल्सो कर्मा। आप अपना क्रियामान भी करते हैं और आपका प्रारब्ध भी भोगते हैं।
Mhm.
And you also collect your sanchita karma, which is your bank account
Back
of
and down.
karma, which is
Sanchय,
carried over from lot of
various
past
past
lives, right?
lifetimes.
So, if you're not fulfilling your purpose, normally अगर इस जन्म में हमने अपना purpose fulfill नहीं किया, तो you take up another birth and you fulfill there. अब slowly you go towards your purpose. In every single birth, you rise a level higher and you fulfill a part of your purpose.
You know why I
But
brought this up? Because we are
Hmm,
talking about suicide free India, and we
hmm,
are talking about young people committing suicides, because you have a spiritual side to yourself, and because you're working with healers,
hmm,
and this Life Sutra is working with lots of healers and
hmm,
astrologers. So
hmm,
I am sure that you are aware of this
hmm.
fact that I've spoken about. That's why I brought this up,
Yes,
so
yes.
that we can give more knowledge to the people out over there. कि please suicide करके और बुरा हाल होता है आपकी
बिकॉज़
सोल का।
अभी आपने जो बोला ना आप ऐसे रेल्म में हैं, जहाँ पर आप नॉट ओनली यू कांट फुलफिल योर पर्पस फर्स्ट थिंग जिसके लिए आप आए थे यूनिवर्स में वो फुलफिल तो कर ही नहीं सकते आप पर्पस। इनफैक्ट यू आर स्टक इन अ वर्ल्ड जहाँ से आपको पता भी नहीं कि आप ह्यूमन वर्ल्ड में कैसे आए।
कैसे आए?
It is a very difficult journey to come back to the place where you can actually fulfill your purpose. You are stuck in a never world, जिसे neverland कहते हैं,
हम्म,
where you can't, you basically ऐसे केस में सिर्फ कुछ psychics ऐसे होते हैं who can help you out of that journey, or sometimes your loved one also help you, free you from that
releasing you
journey.
from that.
It requires a lot of effort, lot of energy is wasted, and lot
That's
of
a
time is
completely
wasted.
different. I think we
Yeah,
can do
yeah,
a
yeah.
completely new podcast on that and a show on it, because अब हम
Absolutely.
हमारा टॉपिक एक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड की तरफ जा रहा है. Let us come to the
Right.
practical
Yes.
life.
Yes.
So we are talking about this young people committing suicides, and मुझे एक बात आप बताइए, आज के दौर में most of the parents I have seen are friendly parents. पेरेंट्स फ्रेंडली हैं, घर पे ओपन एटमॉस्फेयर है, बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड की बात हो सकती है, आपने किसी के साथ शादी करनी है, नहीं करनी है, ब्रेकअप हो गया, आप इज़िली आते हो, बात करते हो, दोस्त यार हैं, सब हैं। तो भी आपने बोला कि 15-20 साल पहले से कंपेयर करो तो आज की डेट में सुसाइड रेट बढ़ गया है। So it is very alarming. 1300 suicides per month in India, you're saying. So 1300 जाने जा रही हैं रोज और रीजन क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है, मिनिस्कल रीजंस हैं। हम एज अ सोसाइटी, एज अ कलेक्टिव फोर्स, यू बीइंग अ कोच, आई बीइंग अ कोच, एंड द पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग ओवर देयर, आपके आसपास भी आई एम श्योर कुछ लोग होंगे जो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स के थ्रू जा रहे हैं। वी नो सो मेनी ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज, लाइक इफ वी टॉक
This
अबाउट
is not a negative sign. Let me tell you this. If you're thinking that the society is, becoming worse, no, it is not the case.
नो नो आई एम नॉट कमिंग ऑन दैट, आई एम
हाँ.
जस्ट सेइंग कि इतने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज,
हम्म.
कुशाल पंजाबी मुझे याद आ रहे हैं अभी, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का भी मुझे याद आ रहा है केस, एंड देन दीपिका पादुकोण हैज ओपनली स्पोकन अबाउट डिप्रेशन, आमिर खान स्पीक्स अबाउट थेरेपी कि मैं तो रेगुलर थेरेपी में रहा हूँ। आई वाज कमिंग टू दिस पॉइंट कि जब जब सब कुछ इतना हमारे पास पॉजिटिव है, कंस्ट्रक्टिव है, हम थेरेपी, काउंसलिंग और लाइफ कोचिंग हेल्प क्यों नहीं लेते हैं?
इसके बारे में ना बहुत बड़ा मिथ है। पहली बात तो लोग में, लाइक माय फादर थिंक्स लाइक दैट, कि क्यों इतने सारे लोगों को मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, हमारे ज़माने में तो नहीं होते थे। लेट मी टेल यू, द होल ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन इज़ सच कि पहले का इंसान तो इतना इवॉल्व्ड ही नहीं था कि वो अपनी स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ के बारे में सोचे भी। Depression is not a bad thing. Let me tell you, not everybody goes through depression because not everybody is evolved enough to understand there is something beyond.
I feel depression happens to people who are sensitive.
Absolutely correct. In fact, spiritually aware, I would
Aware.
say. That's why they can sense a different side of the problem. You know, they can sense things beyond the normal,
The normal
realm, and they are not robotic. So if you're eating, sleeping, and getting married, having kids, and you're okay with that, and you have no connection with the spiritual world, you will not have any problem. Problem arises when you are connected to the spiritual world and there is a evolution that is happening to you. There is a spiritual evolution, and that's why you're aware that something is wrong. This cannot be my purpose of life. There has to be something else. That's why people are looking for coaches, trainers, healers. These are not normal people. Why do we have so many coaches now? ये life coaching का तो profession exist ही नहीं
एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं
करता.
करता था।
There were no presence of
जिंदगी को
any.
जीने के लिए भी कोई चाहिए। मुझे तो याद है
Because I'll tell you
उस
why.
एक ना रील्स आती हैं तो बच्चे भेजते हैं कि कोई डिप्रेशन नाम की बीमारी या कोई हीलर या कोच की जरूरत नहीं है। बचपन में मम्मी का एक पढ़ता था तो सब सीधे हो
Right.
जाते थे हम लोग।
Let me tell you.
सो आई टेल हिम, मैं
देखो
कहा
पहली
नानी जी
बात
ऐसे
तो
ही थे तो
नहीं,
पिट पिट के हम लोग
but
बड़े में हुए।
coaches का प्रोफेशन नया नहीं है. Kings used to have coaches. King used to have a council of coaches. अकबर के टाइम पे नौरत्न होते थे. चाणक्य was one of those coaches. Excellently said. And और क्यों राजा के पास क्यों coaches होते थे? क्योंकि राजा is special. Not everybody needs a coach. Only
उसको पूरी
special
जनता
people
को,
need a
प्रजा को
coach.
हैंडल करना है।
तो हर किसी नॉर्मल लोगों के लिए थोड़ी होते हैं कोच। जो किसान है वो खेती कर रहा है, अपना काम कर रहा है, उसको कोच की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बनिया है वो दुकान चला रहा है, जमादार है वो स्वीपिंग कर रहा है। एवरीबडी हैड देयर सेट रोल्स इन द पास्ट, ओके? इंजीनियर है वो नौकरी करेगा, डॉक्टर है वो पेशेंट्स हील करेगा। एवरीबडी हैड अ स्पेसिफिक पर्पस। बट नाउ वी आर इवॉल्विंग। सो अ डॉक्टर इज़ आल्सो राइटिंग अ बुक। अ डॉक्टर इज़ आल्सो अ पोएट। A doctor, I'm a
Open
doctor.
open mics, they're doing
Exactly,
open mics. Yeah,
that's what I'm
yeah.
saying. The human evolution is happening, and now we need coaches more than
Yeah, we
anything.
have. I have had doctors on my podcast who are influencers also.
Absolutely, why
By
not?
social media and through Instagram, they are
Why
creating an
not?
awareness about the diseases and the
Because
lifestyle.
we are growing as a humanity. We are evolving, and with every evolution, you need mentors, you need guides, you need guidance, you need coaches. That's why अभी coaches की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि अभी normal लोग भी evolve हो रहे हैं, because there are no rajas now, right?
So, a message to everyone out over there: if you are facing any issue in your life, कोई भी इशू है, करियर को लेके है, आपके पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप को लेके है, हेल्थ को लेके है, पेरेंट चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप है, कुछ भी है, हस्बैंड वाइफ रिलेशनशिप है, कुछ भी इशू आपकी लाइफ में चल रहा है, प्लीज गो एंड सीक प्रोफेशनल हेल्प, टॉक इट आउट विद समवन हु इज एन एक्सपर्ट इन देयर फील्ड, बिकॉज आप अपनी लाइफ बचा सकते हैं, आप शायद किसी और की भी लाइफ बचा सकते हैं। सो आई स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड दैट कोई लाइफ कोच, कोई हीलर, कोई काउंसलर, कोई मेंटोर आपको चाहिए, प्लीज़ गो एंड जस्ट सीक हेल्प, बिकॉज़ ह्यूमन लाइफ इज़ वेरी, वेरी प्रेशियस। कोई भी एक चीज़ लाइफ के अंदर ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आप ये सोचो कि हम इसको एंड कर दें एंड देन योर पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ इज़ गॉन। वी स्पोक अबाउट द स्पिरिचुअल साइड also to it, and I'm very impressed by the work that Mitali is doing, because it's not easy listening to all those sad stories every single day where people are hell bent upon killing themselves, and then being realist also, not letting the emotions also affect you. आपको एक बैलेंस बना के चलना पड़ता है, एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रांग पर्सनैलिटी, आई कैन सी दैट। एंड आप उस रास्ते के ऊपर चलना आसान नहीं है, बिकॉज शी हैज़ बीन चोजन, शी फाउंड अ पर्पस इन लाइफ, एंड दैट्स व्हाई शी इज़ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, बट शी इज़ एन इंस्पिरेशन जहाँ से हम सब लोग सीख सकते हैं। बस मिताली। So,
Hmm.
Mitali, we have a very cute segment which
Hmm.
we call the rapid fire round.
Oh my God.
So हम कोई कॉफी विद करण से कम नहीं है, ठीक
And
है?
we have coffee,
We are
excellent
having,
coffee by the way.
थैंक यू सो मच। निकल
Perfect sugar, like ज़्यादा नहीं अच्छी लगती मुझे, बिल्कुल perfect है, it's just the
Thank you,
blend
sir.
I like.
Anyone who wants to have good coffee, please come to my podcast.
You
So
should name it Coffee with Nivedita.
I've got a personal counseling time where I do only counseling, because I'm a promoter of life coaching, because मुझे लगता है life coaching better होती है. But then I have this program called Tea Time with Nivedita,
Uh-huh.
जहाँ पर 4 से, because I'm a tea lover.
Right, right.
So I call myself tea positive. It's tea positive. So this 4 to 6 का टाइम मैंने exclusive रखा हुआ है, where people can just call me, talk to me, and counseling उनकी होती है, which is absolutely free of
Free of
cost.
cost. Okay. And that happens on Instagram or on the call?
On the call. On the
Audio
call,
call.
audio call, video call, or
Wow.
anyone in Delhi NCR, they are most welcome to come. So 4 to 6 every day, it's tea time with Nivedita.
That's
So
excellent
that's my
actually.
way of contributing. किसी को कई बार ना किसी को सिर्फ एक
हाँ.
you just need a patient listening, that's it.
Right. And if you see my to-do list, Nivedita, one of the tasks is help one person every day.
Every day.
Every day. That has to be
One
that
kind
is
act
my
every
that
day.
is my to-do list. मतलब मैं उसको optional नहीं रखती. It is not optional to help people. It is mandatory.
Okay, before we rush to the quick fire round, the rapid fire round, मिताली, एक बात मैं आपसे करना चाहती हूँ, because it's my subject, happiness is my subject.
Hmm.
I promote being happy a lot.
Hmm. Hmm.
एंड आई फील कि आप लाइफ के अंदर रोज अगर अपनी खुशी के ऊपर काम करते हैं, यू चूज हैप्पीनेस एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग,
Hmm.
बहुत ज़्यादा दिन के स्ट्रेस से ना निकल जाते हैं। लाइक आई चूज हैप्पी म्यूजिक,
Hmm.
व्हेन यू केम यू सी अलेक्सा ब्लेयरिंग ऑन फुल वॉल्यूम एंड गाने चल रहे हैं एंड ऑल दिस।
Hmm.
सो आई फील दैट हैप्पीनेस इज वन थिंग दैट वी ऑल शुड चूज एवरी सिंगल डे।
Hmm.
मेरा कहना है कि अगर हम सैड म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, दिल टूटे वाले गाने सुनते हैं,
Hmm.
बिकॉज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वर्किंग ऑलवेज, तो आप वैसे
Hmm.
एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइफ
Hmm.
में अट्रैक्ट करोगे। सो व्हेन समवन सेज सॉरी टू मी, सो आई ऑलवेज टीच देम, प्लीज ब्रेक द सॉरी साइकिल।
Hmm.
ये कॉन्वेंट ने हमें एजुकेशन में सॉरी वर्ड एक सिखा दिया है, बट इफ यू कीप ऑन सेइंग सॉरी, यू विल कीप ऑन अट्रैक्टिंग मोर रीजंस टू फील सॉरी अबाउट इन लाइफ,
Hmm.
राइट?
Hmm.
तो ऐसे हैप्पीनेस का कितना बड़ा रोल है आज के टाइम में,
Hmm.
और कॉन्शियसली इसके ऊपर काम क्यों करना चाहिए?
Hmm. So there are two paradigms about happiness. एक तो hedonic होता है और एक होता है eudaimonic. So hedonic paradigm में simple सा formula ये होता है that you follow a desire and you achieve the desire and you feel
You
happy,
feel happy
है
about
ना? And as soon as the desire becomes a routine, then you lose interest.
it.
You lose interest and then you pick up another desire and another desire, another desire. So it's like a cycle. वो hedonic is like a cycle जो चलती रहती है. तो मैं लोगों को ये बोलती हूँ hedonic में मत फंसो. Find your eudaimonic paradigm of happiness. Eudaimonic क्या होता है? Where you have a purpose. और उसमें ऐसा नहीं होता कि हैप्पीनेस को जब आप परस्यू कर रहे हो तो उसमें डिस्कम्फर्ट नहीं होगा, ऐसी कोई गारंटी नहीं है, पर अंदर से इतना डीप हैप्पीनेस होता है दैट यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक। यू व्हेन यू आप किसी को भी कुछ भी आप किसी और के लिए करो, यू डोंट यू फील अमेजिंग व्हेन यू डू समथिंग फॉर
Of
अदर्स, राइट? देयर इज अ डीप सेंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, मतलब वो एक अलग लेवल की हैप्पीनेस होती है, राइट? व्हेन यू डू इट फॉर अदर्स। एंड आई वांट पीपल टू फॉलो यूडेमोनिक। और वो कब आता है? व्हेन यू आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर इन लव विथ योरसेल्फ लाइक यू आर, आई कैन सी दैट लाइक आई एम। then you are on the right track, that you're following a purpose, even if it is difficult. Even it is the if it is the most difficult. I do suicide prevention. I die every single day when I do counseling. It's like death and life together. But because I'm following my purpose, I'm deeply content and happy inside that I'm following the right track, however difficult it is. And then I'm doing good for others. So that kind of happiness is permanent. I believe in permanent happiness, choosing permanent happiness as a part of your life.
जो मेरे
And
जैसे
then,
इंसान है जो मतलब ऐਵੇਂ ही
mm,
खुश रहते हैं
mm.
मेरे को बिकॉज
हाँ,
एवरीवन इज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द पर्पस इन लाइफ
हाँ.
हर
So,
एक कॉमन मैन जो है वो बस
right,
खुश रहना
right,
चाहता है
right, right, right.
सो
हाँ.
वी
Mm,
वी आर आई फील
mm,
दैट वी आर द चोजन वंस जो भी ये काम कर रहे हैं अवेयरनेस क्रिएट
mm,
कर रहे हैं लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस के बारे में
mm,
जिंदगी को वैल्यू करने
mm,
के बारे में
mm,
बट देयर इज अ कॉमन मैन
mm,
जिसको जिंदगी में सुबह उठना है काम पे
mm,
जाना है
mm,
फैमिली के लिए पैसा कमाना है या मदर है जो
mm,
बच्चों को ब्रिंगिंग करना है सब कुछ
mm,
है
mm.
तो मेरे को लगता है ऐसे लोग भी अनकंडीशनली हैप्पी रह सकते हैं
रह सकते हैं बिल्कुल। लेकिन उसमें ऐसा है ना, मेरा बस उसमें हैप्पीनेस रहने में कोई मतलब अमेज़िंग उससे अच्छी बात तो हो ही नहीं सकती। बट यू हैव टू बी रियलिस्टिक अबाउट योर हैप्पीनेस आल्सो। मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है रियलिस्टिक इन द सेंस व्हेन आई से रियलिस्टिक, आई से कि इफ यू गेट पेन, इफ समवन चीटेड यू, बी
एक्सेप्ट
रियल
इट
अबाउट इट। हाँ,
एक्सेप्ट इट
एक्सेप्ट इट,
हाँ ऐसा हुआ है
प्रोसेस इट,
या
प्रोसेस इट। अगर दर्द हुआ ना, रोना ज़रूरी है।
ऑफ कोर्स
Process that pain, only then मतलब you don't have to
you
just
I can
fake that
just
happiness.
have another 1 hour on
Yeah,
the
मतलब be
importance of crying.
authentic with your
Yes, 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 yes.
emotions. If it is sadness, be sad.
I
If
always
it
say don't
is,
run away from your
yeah,
emotions. Face your
absolutely. You
emotions.
and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
उसी समय deal with it
I
right now.
promote crying in my coaching sessions. I
Yes,
promote
yes.
crying. कहते
Yeah, yeah.
मैम कल हम बड़ा रोए. I'm so happy. क्या रोए?
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Because I know कि
Purging कहते
कितना
हैं.
yeah
हाँ,
purging. That's
emotional
called
purging.
purging.
I love that.
But I say कि भैया ये तो
वो
अच्छा है कुछ अंदर
growth
से
है.
निकला है, right?
In fact, when people
I
cry,
call myself incorrigibly happy. ये तो नहीं सुधरेगी
नहीं, नहीं,
इससे तो
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
खुश ही रहना है
That's
सो
right.
दैट इज समथिंग विच मुझे
Mm,
लगता है कि यार अगर मैं अचीव कर सकती हूँ तो सब अचीव कर सकते हैं बिकॉज
हाँ.
मैंने कुछ ऐसे एफर्ट नहीं किया बट आई टेक अ
हाँ.
चॉइस एवरी सिंगल मॉर्निंग
Mm,
टू रीड things which are happy which
mm.
motivate me
You work
to
towards it.
listen
You
yeah
work
yeah
towards it.
सो वो
It
एक
is
आई
not
थिंक वो
easy.
जो एक हैप्पीनेस को चॉइस बनाना है
Mm,
ना
mm,
वो हम लोग सुबह का चूज करें जैसे आज
बिल्कुल.
मौसम अच्छा था
Mm.
आई फेल्ट लाइक मेकिंग सूजी का हलवा
आपको ये
दैट
मौसम
केम सो
अच्छा
मच ऑफ
लगा,
हैप्पी या
किसी के लिए वो बहुत बुरा है। यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिसके लिए बुरा है उसको रो लेना चाहिए, है
या
ना? और जिसके
ग्लूमी
लिए
रहता
अच्छा है उसको हँस लेना चाहिए। दोनों को ही अपने इमोशन प्रोसेस करने चाहिए,
है
व्हाटएवर इट
एब्सोल्युटली
इज़।
एब्सोल्युटली
If it is sadness, if it is anger, whatever it is, because if you process it, then you can relax and be happy about it. Because मैं लोग सोचते हैं कि हैप्पीनेस इज लाइक वन गियर, कि हैप्पीनेस का गियर लगा दिया। नहीं,
इट्स अ
हैप्पीनेस इज योर
जर्नी
डिफॉल्ट स्टेट। इट इज योर डिफॉल्ट
यस
स्टेट। यू आर जेन्युइनली हैप्पी। बच्चों को देख लो आप,
आप सोल्स
उनके
देखो
पास कोई रीजन नहीं
जो
है।
बेबीज पैदा होते हैं आप देखो एक बेबी सोते सोते स्माइल करता है
राइट, राइट,
राइट
एब्सोल्युटली।
या वो नींद में हंसता है हम साथ में हंसते हैं हमारी ऑटोमेटिक एक स्माइल निकलती है
हम्म,
सो ऑन द सोल लेवल वी आर बॉर्न एज हैप्पी लविंग एंड पीसफुल सोल्स बट ये हमारे लाइफ के जो चैलेंजेस है ना ये कहीं पर हमें ना धूल मिट्टी पड़ जाती है हमारे ऊपर सो डस्टिंग करते रहो अपने आप को कॉमन मैन लैंग्वेज में बोल रही हूँ कि डस्टिंग करते रहो एंड कीप ऑन फाइंडिंग दैट हैप्पीनेस दैट वन थिंग दैट makes you gung ho about life. For me, it's listening to music. For me, it's like seeing beauty and romance in everything in life. Rising sun हो गया, moon हो गया, चिड़ियाँ उड़ के जा रही मैं उसमें भी खुश हो जाती हूँ. But you have to work towards finding your happiness, and I think it's going to make a lot of difference. First of all, in your life and in the world around you. Yeah. So let's do the quick rapid fire round. So
हाँ जी,
Mitali,
वेरी
the
एक्साइटेड।
thing is कि ये हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड है
हम्म,
इट्स गोइंग टू बी रैपिड सीधा दिल से बोलना है इसमें सोचना
ओके।
नहीं है आपने एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ गिफ्ट हैम्पर आल्सो दैट इज द
अच्छा,
डील
इज इट
हाँ
इज
जी
इट इफ आई आंसर वेल?
नहीं वो तो
इज
वैसे
इट?
भी मिलेगा वो तो वैसे भी मिलेगा बट दिस इज जस्ट टू मेक
हाँ,
थिंग्स
हाँ,
फन बिकॉज बहुत सीरियस बात
आई
हम
लव
लोगों ने
दैट, आई
करी
लव।
है सो योर गो टू मंत्र फॉर इंस्टेंट पॉजिटिविटी
My go-to mantra for instant positivity is declutter, sustain, and survive.
declutter sustain survive please go and listen to whatever Mitali has said again and again you are going to change your life one habit you can't live without.
Helping every one person every single day.
So that's been a ritual with you for how many
It is,
years?
I think, 6, 7 years now.
One, you help one
One person
person
every
every
single day,
single
in
day.
whichever way.
So that means
Physically,
365.
emotionally.
365 days in a year into 6 years. कितने लोगों की हेल्प कर चुकी है मिताली, इंस्पिरेशन. One book that changed your perspective.
The Alchemist.
The Alchemist. The Alchemist
That is
is
that is
one
a
book that everyone should read.
yeah,
I won't talk much about it because it is actually going to create magic in your life.
agreed.
Okay. Your favorite moment as a TEDx speaker.
Okay, TEDx speaker. I think the moment when I received that call, I was in the gym and I actually manifested going to TEDx. I created that visualization law of attraction thing and I
You
made it,
created
it
a vision
worked.
board.
Yeah, no, not a vision board, but I
You
created that
saw yourself
picture.
on the
Yeah,
TEDx.
yeah, yeah. I not only saw it, felt it with all my five senses. The five senses visualization, which, people are aware of, that when you want something really badly and very clear about it,
तो पूरी
you
कायनात पूरी
yeah,
शिद्दत
pura
से आपको
visualize you do visualization with all five senses, and there is no doubt 100% you're going to achieve it. All
I
five senses,
strongly believe
eyes,
in this.
nose, ears, and the feeling also of being there on the stage. I
So
did that.
this, whatever you're saying, this
Ha.
is my manifestation
Your
come true.
manifestation. I agree that it works like crazy. And TEDx happened like that. So when I received that call in the gym, I was on the treadmill and I received the call. I was crying and I was doing my exercise. I was running and crying and like it works. I was like,
I hope the
it
people in your
works.
gym did not think that the treadmill is bothering you.
No. They did not in gym, no, nobody bothers what you're doing.
So, because yeah, we are now speaking to the public over here. One myth about mental health that you want to break.
That if you talk about it, it makes you feel weak.
Very important. Very important. So please talk about your weak moments to the people around you. Find a mentor or take professional help, but just speak about it. It's not being weak. If you identify that there's something wrong in your life, that means you're strong enough to identify that. One thing people misunderstand about Reiki.
Ah, that it is a voodoo, hokum pokum, or black magic. That is what Google also want. The first thing in that, if you type Reiki, the first thing that comes on Google is Reiki is not black magic. I said, who's asking
It's
that
energy
question?
healing because I'm a Reiki practitioner myself. I'm a Reiki grandmaster. So Reiki is basically working with energy. We all are energy beings. So Reiki is working with energy. ये काला जादू नहीं है.
And it has absolutely no side effects. There is no side effects of Reiki.
Never,
It can
never,
never be used
never.
for doing bad things.
Yes, yes. It's very
Even if you
positive
want
energy
to, you
force.
can't do
Yes.
anything bad about with
They,
Reiki.
I think people who are into Reiki, they can never ever
Ah,
do anything
none.
wrong to anyone because
Not
they
at
know
all.
the law of karma. If happiness were a food, what would it be for you?
Spinach almond soup.
ये तो
I
सारी हेल्दी
love
बातें करे तो कोई तो मैगी बोल देगा.
I love spinach almond soup.
कोई मैगी तो बोल दो. मेरे ये सब अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोलते हैं जब मैं फेवरेट फूड का पूछती हूँ. Okay, one person who inspires you the most.
Um, One person that inspires me the most. I think it has to be me. I'm a big fan of me
Love it.
because I know how
Love it.
much struggle that I have
Completely love it.
put in myself.
So you are becoming the best version of yourself every
yeah,
single day.
yeah, yeah. And I'm beating myself every single day.
Wow.
I'm winning my
So,
own game.
so powerful and so inspirational. यार खुद की इंस्पिरेशन बन जाते हैं ना. So describe yourself in 3 words.
Mystical, mindful, magical. Mitali.
The 3 M's of Mitali: mystical, magical, and mindful. So that sums up what Mitali is. So भैया ढूंढते रहो मिताली है क्या?
That is the code word I got in my office. Mystical Mitali.
सही जवाब. सो आपको बड़ी खुशी के साथ हम ये सूचित करते हैं कि आप हमारा गिफ्ट हैम्पर जीत चुके हैं.
So sweet of you. I'm so excited about it.
So this is happiness merchandise by A Happy World with It.
Wow.
And because I believe in the law of attraction and affirmation, so this
Kya
is
baat
an affirmation journal.
Wow.
इसमें affirmations
People
लिखेंगे.
should use it. People should write. I believe in journals and I believe in journaling a lot.
And
This
this is a
self-therapy.
frame. You can put it in your office. It's going to remind you of me.
You don't
And
need a reminder, Nivedita, in my life now.
and this is for your
Oh.
work table. These are happiness reminders. आप कुछ भी इसको
Cute.
अल्टी पल्टी करके रोज पढ़ें.
And the best thing is it has happy word in it, and the more you see it, the more happy you become. The things around you
Of course,
really
of
motivates
course,
you.
of course. So the basic aim of launching my merchandise was
Hmm.
hitting the subconscious mind.
Yes. Yes.
to create new
What you
neural
see is
pathways.
what you become, because you become what you are.
And this is my favorite, the mugs that we were having
Mhm.
coffee in.
Oh, being a tea and coffee lover, I think this is my favorite.
Emotionally
I'm
healthy.
emotionally healthy. I
इसमें
am.
चाय,
I think I'm
कॉफी,
also I'm
ग्रीन
going
टी
to
कुछ भी
add
पी सकते हैं.
spiritually healthy also.
वो हमने अब
हाँ,
we are going to
it's
do
not
this.
for everybody, for
नहीं,
us,
हम
at least for
spiritually
us.
healthy मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूंगी. So this is for you.
Thank you so much. I love this tagline. I'm emotionally healthy.
Because
Not
we talk
everybody
about
can
emotions. Yeah,
strongly say
yeah.
that, huh? Because most of the people are suffering emotionally, especially men.
So I
I
had
think.
this coaching program,
Hmm.
Let Men Cry,
Yeah,
where I
wow.
do work one on one with men
Mm-hmm.
having all those emotional issues,
Mm.
and then when they cry like a little baby,
Yeah.
then you understand the kind of pain they have been holding on right from childhood. कि तो मर्द है, तो रो नहीं सकता, तो strong है, तो नहीं ये करना, तो नहीं वो करना है ना. अंदर से वो crumble हुए बड़े होते हैं.
Yeah. I feel
So
bad for
so
like
I've
I
got
was
a
talking to
program.
my son and because you want to make sure that your sons are emotionally well. So I
Yes.
talked to him and I spoke to him that Vihan उसने बोला कि मैम मम्मा बहुत सारे वो लोग आजकल मम्मी पापा लोग अलग हो जाते हैं ना शादी के बाद बहुत सारे केसेस में मैंने बोला हाँ बिकॉज बेटा विमेन तो अपने आप को बहुत अपग्रेड कर रही है बट मेन आर नॉट रेडी टू अपग्रेड देमसेल्फ इमोशनली व्हेन आई
Yes.
से अपग्रेड आई मीन इमोशनली
Even in the mindset,
yeah. So what
they're still in the
happens is,
primitive
yeah, and
days.
what happens is that because women have upgraded, whatever कोई भी तबके को अगर बहुत दबाया जाता है तो वो उछल के निकलता है तो women को बहुत दबाया गया तो वो eventually तो
Awareness create हो रही है,
उछलना
तो
ही था उनको
they've
तो
stopped tolerating
right
nonsense.
and when they come out sometimes they come out wrong over feminism हो जाता है
Mm-hmm.
तो ये तो होता ही है whenever किसी को इतना ज्यादा दबाया जाए तो इस तरह से वो निकल के आते हैं बट men on the other hand बेचारों को अभी अपग्रेडेशन नहीं कोई हेल्प कर रहा है इन दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ अपग्रेडिंग themselves emotionally. I think you're doing a fantastic job if you're doing that. Excellent.
Thank you so much.
I have a poem on that, which I have released Men's Day पे I think International Men's Day पे मैंने release किया था. It was about men should cry.
आप
Hmm.
वो मेरे को टैग करना, उसमें
हाँ
को
हाँ
ये भेजना.
It's
आई
not
विल टैग
very
यू.
good pixels, but yeah, I'll share it with
कोई
you.
बात नहीं, आप मेरे साथ शेयर करना एंड उसको मैं आई विल टैग यू ऑन Instagram on the story so that everyone reads that poem
Should
and
should
gets motivated. So
yeah.
Mitali, it's been lovely having you, and we spoke about life and we had this honest conversation because I can't work with a script.
Hmm.
So whatever has come out, it has come out very naturally. एकदम हमने ओपनली बात करी है लाइफ के बारे में, सुसाइड के बारे में, लाइफ सूत्रा के बारे में, एंड how Mitali is contributing in her own ways, how she found her contribution, her purpose in life, and very, very inspirational story. Go to this podcast again and again. जितनी बार मर्जी आप सुनिए, इसको देखिए, because every time you're going to learn something new. One thing that I have picked up from you is helping someone every single day. I've been doing it, but consciously for 6
Consciously.
years,
Yeah, yeah.
that is an achievement.
That's
So
why it is
that
on
is
the
one thing
to-do
that I'm
list.
picking
To-do
from
list
you.
में रहता है तो you can't miss it.
देखा, जब
You can't
ऐसे
miss
आप अच्छे लोगों के साथ बात करते हो ना, आपकी खुद की लर्निंग कितनी होती है. सो ऐसे ही इन्फेक्शन, जो अच्छी वाली इन्फेक्शन है ना, वो ऐसे ही फैलती है. एंड टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग a suicide free nation, a suicide free world where none of the lives is wasted and every life is happy every single day of their life. So here's towards a suicide free India, a suicide free world, and with people like Mitali giving their best and I trying to create an awareness about it. Let's join hands in saving lives, particularly young lives, because every single life is very, very precious. God has sent you on this planet not to lose your life or just live a life in vain. Try to find your purpose, try to find your happiness, try to find yourself, and see how beautiful and magical life is. Thank you, Mitali. Thank you once
Thank you
again.
so much. Thank you so much, Nivedita.